Hi everyone and welcome back. So Excel and Python, both of them are really powerful when it comes to data analysis and data visualization, but we can enhance their individual capabilities by integrating and using them together. And in this section, we will look at how we can do that. Plus, there are some libraries that are very powerful and integrate these two tools seamlessly. So why do we want to integrate Python with Excel? First, we can automate repetitive tasks. So, what do I mean by repetitive tasks? Imagine that you have to generate something or a report based on some analysis, then you can program that analysis and integrate with Excel so that an Excel report gets generated let's say, every month or whenever you want to generate the report. We will work on a hands-on project in which we'll go through and generate a monthly report based on some analysis that we'll do. So essentially, you can build data pipelines. What is a data pipeline? We can structure the flow of data, taking some raw data, converting that to information, visualizations, and then subsequently in an Excel report, which we can email to the stakeholders. So automating repetitive tasks is one of the key use cases why Python and Excel can be integrated and should be used in an integration. And then another use cases can be if you have really large data sets and you don't want to do calculations on that in Excel, you can efficiently handle those calculations in Python, then export the results back to Excel. And then when you have to create advanced data visualization, so we saw Seaborn can create really beautiful visualizations that you might not be able to create directly in Excel. So if you have to beautify things based on certain advanced analysis, you can do so in Python. And then final note is that you can enhance. So there are some things that Excel is good at and there are some things that Python is good at, and then you can enhance each other's, you can complement each other by using them together. So those are some of the reasons why we generally go for Python Excel integration. And in this video, let's set up our environment. We'll primarily use these three libraries: OpenPyXL, Pandas, and XLSX Writer. So Pandas we have already dealt with. Pandas is a very general library that is not just used for Excel but for a lot of other file types as well. Basically, it's a library that we use for data analysis. But what are these two other libraries, OpenPyXL and XLSX Writer? So OpenPyXL is a general Excel library which can read and write Excel files after 2010, whereas XLSX Writer is designed exclusively for writing XLSX files. It cannot read or modify existing Excel files. So XLSX Writer comes handy when you want speed because it's not a general library. When you want to create large Excel files and performance is a key concern, that's when you can use XLSX Writer. It is the primary use case of this library is generating new workbooks. And also XLSX Writer has more formatting and styling options, whereas OpenPyXL, although OpenPyXL also has a lot of formatting and charting options, it's more general. So those are the three libraries that we'll primarily be using. And in the next videos, we'll explore how to import, export these Excel files and manipulate the data, including the formatting and styling through Python. So stay tuned and thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.